Make inspections safer, faster and easier. Agile Equipment is now selling the ReachMaster Pro, a non-invasive extendable moisture meter. The big standout here is the telescopic pole. It extends out to about a meter so you can reach ceilings, high walls and even low areas without needing a ladder or kneeling down. It really does save your knees and keeps you working safer throughout the day. On one end, you've got a swivel sensor head so you can adjust the angle depending on what surface you're testing. Whether it's walls, ceilings or floors, it's easy to position to get a consistent reading. On the other end, you have a swivel screen head which communicates wirelessly with the sensor for easy reading at any angle. And of course, it's completely non-invasive and can read moisture up to 120 millimeters below the surface. This means not leaving pinholes behind, something your clients will surely appreciate, and because of its non-invasive deep reading, it can also measure moisture even behind tiles. You can also adjust the sensitivity, which is great when you're working across different materials like timber, concrete or drywall. Turn it up to pick up smaller or deeper moisture, or turn it down if you're getting readings that are too sensitive. The readings are color-coded as well, so you've got green, yellow and red, making it really quick to identify what's going on without overthinking. As a non-invasive meter, it doesn't give absolute moisture content. It's designed for comparative readings. It makes this process easy by allowing you to store a dry standard and compare that on a screen to your current reading, making it easy to understand what you're reading. In terms of power, the sensor runs on standard AA batteries and the display uses 4 AA batteries, giving you around 80 hours plus of run time on the display. So it's built to last through long inspection days. You also get a proper carry case with a custom insert so everything stays protected and organized when you're transporting it. Overall, this is about working more efficiently, staying safer, and presenting a more professional process. If you're looking to speed up your inspections and access those hard-to-reach areas properly, the ReachMaster Pro is a solid option. You can get the Protimeter ReachMaster Pro by going to agileequipment.com.au or visiting our Brisbane showroom in Murray. Thanks for watching.